Hello, and welcome to evyAI, your sales assistant. Today, we're going to take a complete walkthrough of the evyAI side panel and show you how it can help you create content, engage with your network, and optimize your LinkedIn presence. Let's start by opening the evyAI side panel. This panel is your central hub, giving you access to AI Writer, templates, saved profiles, image generator, the Learning Hub, and much more. Everything you need to manage content, networking, and growth is right here. Now let's explore the AI Writer. Here you can create posts, comments, and messages. You can choose a persona that reflects your professional voice, select a goal for the content, and pick a tone. Before clicking Generate, type your topic or request inside the command box. Otherwise, the Generate button will be disabled. You can also change the language, select an AI model, and use your microphone to dictate content. Once you click Generate, evyAI creates high-quality outputs that you can post or send directly. Now let's take it a step further with personalization using styles. Open evyAI. Look at the left sidebar and click on Styles. Click New Style. This is where you create your own writing system. Start by naming your style. Make it clear and specific, like LinkedIn post, personal brand voice, or comment, short and punchy. Next, add your use case. Describe when this style should be used. For example, use this for writing LinkedIn posts about networking, AI, and business. Now choose your level of detail. Summary for short content, moderate for standard posts, in-depth for long-form content. Set your character count based on your content type. Posts, 800 to 2,000. Comments, 150 to 400. Articles, up to 5,000. Toggle emojis on or off depending on your tone. Then choose your writing format. For posts, try bullet points plus pro tip. For comments, keep everything off for a natural feel. Next, select your writing tools. For example, tell a story, ask questions, use real examples. Finally, use the free text box. This is where you define your voice. Type something like, use short, punchy sentences. Start with a strong hook. Keep it conversational. End with a question. Click Save. Let's put it into action. Go to LinkedIn and open a post. Then open the evyAI side panel. Make sure you're on the Content tab to access the AI Writer. Set your goal, tone, and persona. Then select your new style. Type a command like, write a LinkedIn post about why people fail at networking and what to do instead. Click Generate. Once it's ready, click Insert. You'll notice the output now follows your structure, tone, and voice automatically. Next, let's look at templates. Templates let you save prompts for posts, comments, and direct messages. You can reuse them anytime to maintain consistent messaging and generate content quickly. Now let's move into creating visuals with evyAI. Click the image generator icon. You can also access this from the evyAI web app under the Content section. To create an image, start by uploading up to 2 reference images. For example, you can upload a headshot and a logo. Next, write a detailed prompt. Describe exactly what you want to generate. For example, create a headshot of this person wearing a purple shirt with the logo included. Then click Generate. evyAI will create an image based on your references and prompt. The more specific your prompt, the better your result. You can also create engaging visuals by using prompts like this exact person holding a sign in Times Square that says, "Thank you for being my connection." Once your image is ready, you can copy it and use it in your posts, messages, or content. You can also save your prompt as a template for future use. All generated images are automatically saved in your account. You can scroll through past images anytime. If you want a variation, click Regenerate. evyAI will reuse your original prompt and references to create a new version. You can also use the microphone icon to speak your prompt instead of typing. evyAI will convert your voice into a usable prompt instantly. If you need ideas, you can explore the evyAI prompt library inside the community. Now let's go back to networking and introduce one of the most powerful features, Enrich. Go to LinkedIn and open a profile. Then open the evyAI side panel. Click Network. Click New Profile. Find the LinkedIn profile you want to connect with, then copy their profile URL. Paste it into the connection URL field. Click Autofill. Then click Add to List. Choose the appropriate category and click Save. Now go to your saved profiles. Select the profile you want to learn more about. Click the Enrich button. evyAI will automatically pull in details like email address and phone number and add them directly to the profile. This works across all evyAI plans. If you're on a Pro plan, you'll unlock more data. You can get multiple emails, phone numbers, and additional links related to that person. You'll also see an Insights section. This includes a summary of who they are, their role, their target market, and how to connect with them. You'll also get suggested talking points and even a ready-to-use email draft. You can copy, edit, or regenerate any part of this, depending on what you need. If it can't find the contact information with the Enrich button, you can use the AI research feature. Go to the Awareness tab, click any of the available AI agents. evyAI Pro users should use Grok to do deep research on the person. Grok will run a live search through hundreds of websites and show you real-time information about that person and their activity. This helps you understand what they're doing, what they're talking about, and how to engage more effectively. Copy the information, then go to Notes. Click Add Note, paste the details, and click Save. Go back to Awareness tab and click Enrich based on profile notes. You can also use social search to quickly find someone's social media profiles. Profile optimization is also easy. Click the pencil on your headline or About section, and once you click inside the editable text, you can choose your persona, goal, and personality you desire. Then click Generate. Now let's move over to the web app. This is your workspace outside of LinkedIn, where you have a larger interface for writing, planning, and strategic work. Inside the web app, you'll find sections like Home, Settings, Content, Network, Templates, Personas, Styles, Learning Hub, and Community. This is where you manage your personas, make content outside of LinkedIn, review saved connections, prepare campaigns, organize your workflow, and access live chat. The Learning Hub inside the web app gives you tutorials, guides, and structured training. You can join the evyAI school community, participate in discussions, view the school calendar, and apply for the Evergreen networking system to enhance your LinkedIn networking. If you ever need direct help or support, you can always email hello@evyai.com. And finally, evyAI also offers an affiliate program for users who want to partner with us, share evyAI, and earn commissions by referring subscribers. With evyAI, you have everything you need to manage content, networking, and growth on LinkedIn in one place.